Hey everybody, Alan Butler here with Butler Contracting, where we're doing simple better. And today, I just want to take you on a tour of a project we've been working on for a few weeks here over in Pine Forest over by Tishan Village. And we're working on a project for a customer, converting a building, an outbuilding, into a usable office space and kind of a study area for the kids, and just kind of a little place to hang out outside and enjoy their beautiful backyard here. So I just kind of want to take you on a little tour of what we've been working on and what our team has been putting together for them so they can enjoy their space. So enjoy. So here we replaced the front door of the shed here to make a better entrance versus having a double-doored shed. And we walk in this space here and really kind of made it into a real nice office. We got a nice loft and a book nook up here. Our electrician just finished up all the lighting today. So we got this beautiful shiplap ceiling we put in here, making a nice rustic ceiling with some can lights. Got a nice loft that we constructed and built up here, kind of like a little book nook for the kids to come up and read up there, hang out with some beanbag chairs, have some fun. So we'll just kind of come up here and sit and relax, hang out. Neat little place to kind of hang out. We were able to put a sliding patio door in here to get a little more light. Open this up into more of a patio so they can enjoy the backyard and the patio area. Got some nice floating shelves up underneath here with a nice butcher block countertop to accent the back wall here for some workspace. So we can sit back here and do some paperwork, schoolwork, kind of a place to hang out, get out of the house. We're going to get our AC guy back over here to mount the mini split. Now that we're to that point, we'll replace the window here, put a nicer window in for them. Just a nice little space out here. When we go outside, we installed a shiplap underneath the soffit panels, put in some new electrical outlets out here for them, screened in the porch, patio, so they can sit out here and have some family time out here as well, still enjoy the space in here. And it just makes it an overall really cool place to just kind of hang out, relax, enjoy themselves. Just a neat place to make memories with the kids and the family, and get out here and relax and work, and still be able to have a place and a space to go to think. So if you're looking to get a cool project done or something interesting done at your house, we do a lot of cool things here at Butler Contracting. We're always hiring, looking for great folks. So if you like to build cool stuff like this, go on our website and put in an application on our careers tab. And if you need something done, give us a call, visit our website, send us a project request. We're happy to set up a phone consultation. We can talk through some options, see what your project is and what a good fit is for you. So give us a call at 844-628-8537. Hop on our website, click on the Contact Us tab on our website, submit and upload a video, and we can talk through your project. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'm really looking forward to wrapping this thing up. There's just a few more punch list items. We're going to clear coat this butcher block countertop and do a little bit of clear coating on some of this raw wood we just got installed. And then we're going to be ready to be done with this thing, and they're going to be able to use this space. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to look awesome. But if you need a project, let us know. Give us a call. If you have any questions or looking for some ideas, we go through the design build process. That's what we did here. We kind of laid out that design process, what they wanted, came over, did that on-site consultation, and those phone consultations, worked through everything to design their space. And I'm hoping we can get some reviews from them soon, and because they're just blown away by how great this thing turned out. It was better than they ever imagined. So that's what we do here at Butler Contracting. We get our customers results. And if you're looking to get your next project done, give us a call, and we'll see you on your next project.